Do you ever feel like something bigger is guiding your steps? That could be your chi, according to the Igbo culture. I recently learned that chi is a big part of the traditional Igbo belief system, and I started wondering, could it be the same as the guardian angel? I first came across the word chi while reading Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart and Arrow of God. From Chinua Achebe's stories and other readings, I understood that chi is your personal spirit, your inner force. Igbo people say, Onyekwe chia ekwere, which means if somebody agrees, their chi agrees as well. It shapes your path, your struggles, and your destiny. The renowned author discussed it in various parts of his work, especially while examining the spiritual and philosophical beliefs of the Igbo people. I also learned that some people in the past would even go to diviners in order to understand their chi. I find this fascinating. So now I'm curious, from what I've learned, chi is similar to a guardian angel, but I would love to hear from the Igbo people. Is this a fair comparison? Am I wrong to compare chi to a guardian angel? What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section.